Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, roof rails, running boards, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, navigation system, rear view camera, backup camera, leather trim seats, heated seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.